is a new journey, and the path where we start is through opening our eyes and end it by closing them. But sometimes all we need is to take a pause and celebrate the most precious gift of God, that is life. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another day and another beautiful episode of Swiss Villa Season 2. How are you?
Fine.
Fine. Are you excited for today?
Yes.
How excited?
That much.
Only she is looking excited. Okay, so do you know what is going to happen today?
I'm getting some negative vibes.
Negative vibes?
I'm getting positive vibes.
Okay, someone is getting negative vibes, someone is getting positive vibes. So let me tell you, today you are going to get one of the biggest shocks in Swiss Villa Season 2. Today, we are going to have our wild card entry.
ये ले positive vibes.
How many of you are fearing of wild cards?
I fear कैसा ज़्यादा लोगों के competition ज़्यादा हुआ खेलने में मजा आएगा.
So excited for this?
हाँ, of course.
Excited? Do you know who are our wild card entries?
वही तो देखते हैं कि
Okay.
I'm waiting. Let's see.
So ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome our first wild card entry of Swiss Villa Season 2, Boj and Ayushi. Give it up.
यार बोल. What's up?
Welcome back.
कहा था ना वापस आएगा.
आ गया ना अभी
तुमने कहा था.
निकलने से पहले कहा था.
So
तूने
what-
निकाला था ना इसको.
Okay.
हाँ, मुझे क्या पता नहीं. मुझे क्या
बोला बोला था
मुझे
उसने.
निकालना था.
तो निकाला था.
राम मेरा मुसाफिर याद आया.
हाय हाय हाय.
Yeah.
चल देखते हैं ना आज कौन किसको निकालता है.
Okay, so Boj and Ayushi, how are you feeling? Good.
फीलिंग लाइक टू एलिमिनेट समवन
Name that someone.
So what are
the
the
name it
I hope that's not me. That's not you. मेरे घर भी not excited. You are queen.
I'm not saying that I'm just talking about the competition
So आधी हफ्ते eliminate करने के बाद सोच लिया.
हाँ
मतलब आप
जीतना है हम ना मैं ऐसे अकेले थोड़ी हरा के जाऊंगा अभी तो आए हो इतनी दुश्मनी मत बना भाई दुश्मनी नहीं बना रहा बस बता रहा हूँ मैं जीतने आया हूँ
सब जीतने आए हैं. सब
आया हो ना
जीतेंगे.
जीतेंगे
Okay, so Boj, one thing, बस एक चीज इनको बोल दो जो इनको हमेशा अपने दिमाग में रखनी चाहिए. क्या होगी Boj?
हमें ना कम मत समझना कि ऐसा मत समझना कि हरा दोगे
हम समझ ही नहीं.
नहीं समझ रहे ना अच्छी बात है समझ भी नहीं पाओगे ठीक है
Ayushi, क्या बोलना चाहोगे इनको? You have no words. Do you think that you are going to smash all these villains? You think that you will going to win?
Yeah.
Okay, that's great. So give it up for our wild cards.
Here I am again on this show again. बाहर निकला था लग के बेसिस में ऐसे बाहर नहीं गया था खेल के जाता ना तो ऐसे चले जाता ठीक है हार के जाता सच्चा ठोक के जाता लेकिन अभी आया हूँ ना जीतने आया हूँ मैं अंदर जो बैठे ना जो बात कर रहे हैं अभी देखना अंदर पता चलेगा
आज मेरा पहला दिन था. सारे काफ़ी फ्रेंडली थे बट अब क्या पता कौन कैसा भी कल फर्स्ट डे में किसको जज नहीं कर सकते. आई हूँ तो अपना बेस्ट दूंगी और सब कुछ फाड़ के जाऊंगी.
We will.
Ladies and gentlemen, our first wild card entry is in Swiss Villa Season 2. Now, let's know what our contestants are feeling. Let's know their reactions.
Oh my God, wild cards. चलो उसमें से पहला तो बोझ निकल गया. मुझे जहाँ तक पहले दिन का याद है कि अच्छा फ्रेंड बन रहा था बट फिर एलिमिनेट हो गया पहले दिन. और उसके बाद हमारी कोई नई बंदी आई है.
आयुषी.
तुम बताओ लड़की.
आयुषी से मेरी बात हुई. शी इज लाइक फ्रेंडली है बट उसकी अपनी खुद की स्ट्रैटेजी चल रही है. एंड
अभी लाइक मेरे दिमाग में बस एक ही चीज चल रही है जो अभी मेरे को दिख रहा है गेम के अंदर. हमें जरूरत है सपोर्ट की. अब ये जो नए कपल आए
हाँ.
दोस्त या दुश्मन या तो दुश्मनों की लाइन में और एक कपल खड़ा हो गया है, या तो अगर दोस्त बन गए
आई
तो
थिंक
शायद हमें
आयुषी
थोड़ा
दोस्त
सपोर्ट
बन
मिल जाए।
सकती है, बट आई डोंट नो अबाउट भोज।
पता नहीं,
But-
बोझ शायद मेरे हिसाब से बोझ बन सकता है, बट आई डोंट नो अबाउट आयुषी। देखते हैं क्या होगा, दोस्त या दुश्मन, दोस्त या दुश्मन, चलो लेट्स
बट कंपटीशन बढ़ गया, सो वी आर सैड।
सी या
ओके सो नाउ वाइल्ड कार्ड्स आर हियर। मतलब पहले तो कितना अजीब था ना, पहले भोज को हम लोगों ने, मतलब मैंने नहीं किया था आउट, पर लिखा था सबने नाम।
मतलब वोट आउट
नहीं मैंने नहीं किया था पर अब ये है कि मतलब जब वो आया ना तो थोड़ा मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि उसके अंदर कुछ रिवेंज वाली फीलिंग है कि हाँ अब इन लोगों ने मेरी बैंड बजाई, अब मैं इनकी बजाऊंगा बैंड। आयुषी मुझे बहुत स्वीट सी लगी, उसकी बहुत मतलब तारीफ सुनी थी ऑडिशंस में कि वो उसने बहुत अच्छा किया है, बट स्वीट सी लगी है। बट अब कुछ कह नहीं सकते, डोंट जज द बुक बाय इट्स कवर, तो कुछ कहा नहीं जा सकता। बट भोज तो पक्का ऐसा लग रहा है कि वो रिवेंज लेगा और मैंने इसका नाम लिखा था।
नहीं, हम लेने नहीं ना देंगे।
हाँ हम लेने नहीं देंगे, पर क्योंकि हम लोग स्ट्रॉन्ग है, हमारा कनेक्शन अच्छा है, सो हाँ। बट हम लोगों को उसको अपनी तरफ करना पड़ेगा, अगर हमें मेजोरिटी चाहिए अपने पास तो कुछ करना पड़ेगा, अच्छे से बात करना पड़ेगा, प्यारे मतलब अच्छे से ना।
लोग का भी किंग एंड क्वीन हमारी तरफ है,
हाँ।
तो अगर हमारी तरफ आए तो उनको भी बेनिफिट होगा।
हाँ क्योंकि किंग और क्वीन हमारी तरफ है, क्योंकि हमने अपने किंग और क्वीन जब हम थे तो हमने उन लोगों को फेवर किया था, अब उनका टाइम है हमें फेवर बैक करने का।
So king and queen, congratulations. Give it up for king and queen. So let's know how strong your bondings are. Let's know it. You have been here for 3 weeks. 3 हफ्ते हो गए हैं. I know you have a pretty strong bonding. You know. So let's know it. Kind of. I have a doubt. Okay, so Musafiq, what do you think? What's Janvi's favorite food? What do you think?
favorite food, I guess she likes fast food.
मैं बताऊँ मेरे को सारा पता है इनका।
Really? Okay, let's test his bonding.
Fast food.
Fast food. What is the name?
Like anything which is like available easily.
Janvi?
Momos
I
and
know
all.
his favorite food.
No, I'm talking about. Is it correct that you like fast food?
Yeah.
You have a good bonding then. You know. Okay, and Divya. मेरे को ये बताओ कि हिमांशु का फेवरेट प्लेस कौन सा है जहाँ पे वो जाना चाहता है?
फेवरेट प्लेस इनका, इनको हिल स्टेशंस पसंद है।
हिमांशु. All right, good morning. Avantika, tell me, what is likes the most in you? Eyes. Really? Really? Okay, that's good. You guys are pretty known each other. Huh? You guys are really good bonding. आपको अपने पार्टनर्स के बारे में सब चीज पता है. You have a pretty strong bonding. So that is why we are thinking to make it a pretty more interesting. इसको कुछ ज्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग बनाते हैं. King and Queen.
Yes.
You wanna know what's your power today?
Tell me.
So your power is shuffle them.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. I was waiting for this. I did not want power for anything, just this. I wanted to suffer.
Shuffle it.
I just
Whatever you want to do, that's on your hand.
thank you so much.
Shuffle
Thank
it.
you. Thank you.
Do it,
Thank you.
please.
Thank you.
Do it. That's your power.
I feel it.
No, but condition is accept yourself and our wild card.
Yeah, obviously, why did I do?
Yeah.
Just here.
So do it.
Don't take पंगा with me, okay? I want to take with you. Simple as that.
How was the shock?
Now I miss someone.
अवंतिका, तुम किसके साथ जाना चाहती थी एज अ पार्टनर?
इसके साथ ही रहना।
एली के साथ? तो बॉन्डिंग तो दूसरे से भी हो सकती है.
टाइम लगेगा.
क्या?
Yes, it's up to you. मेरे को तो
But it's hard to get something easily, ना? जैसे कि आपको तो easy से मिल गया वो partner. मतलब कि you wanted in the beginning also. Like जैसे कि नहीं, like look at me. I was very clear. I can perform with anyone. Just एक नहीं चाहिए. I happen to get that. आपको तो ये चाहिए था, आपको यही मिला है ना, so it's so unfair for me, I feel.
जानवी, आपको कौन सा पार्टनर चाहिए?
दीपांशु sir.
हाँ?
No, अच्छा चाहिए थी.
मुझे पूछो ना,
तुम्हें कौन सा लगा?
मुझे तो तुम थे।
शिवांगी.
You don't know. You are king and queen. You don't know their name.
They are moving, but
But what?
Avantika goes with moving.
Okay. Shuffle it.
Janvi with Mr. Mehran. Janvi.
Janvi with Mehra.
मैं कहाँ जाऊँगी? शिवांगी with.
Shivangi with Musab.
मैंने लिख दिया.
लंदन नहीं है,
I
लंदन
gave
नहीं
my
है।
word saying that obviously I'll take your side because you did once. I wanted to give my favor back.
You don't want to shuffle it?
No.
Swali भाई,
Are you sure for that?
Yes.
वैसे भी आप स्ट्रॉन्ग, आपको क्या जरूरत है पार्टनर का? आप परफॉर्म करते हो, क्लास में फाड़ते हो. She is also strong. हाँ, she is also strong. That's it. क्या होता है? अवंतिका, happy?
We'll see later. Have a good day. That's what I want to say.
So Divya and Himanshu, आप लोगों को बहुत अच्छा फेवर मिला
No,
है.
it's just
But
that
मैं एक
they
चीज
have
बोलना
good
चाहूंगा,
connection.
ये
also,
सिर्फ
no?
अवंतिका पेबैक था मेरा, अभी इंटरेस्ट बचा हुआ है. ये सिर्फ मेरा पेबैक था, ये फर्स्ट एलिमिनेशन के लिए.
So Pooja, आपने बस इसलिए उनको शफल नहीं किया कि ये they have a very good bonding.
Yeah, they do have. I know, no, personally.
You
that-
are in Switzerland, you have to play games.
Listen, we have to play game also, I know. But there is a thing called relations of also, no? I can't disturb that.
Okay, that's
There's
good.
one more thing. Divya and Pooja, I think they are the bestest friends. BFF here right now.
Why you don't want to be my friend then?
Yeah, I said BFF.
And let me tell you something, okay? I wanted to join Squid Village just to make friends. So I'm having so no problem with that. You can also make one.
एंड हम लोग जब भी कभी साथ में बैठते हैं, we never discuss game, हम कभी भी डिस्कस नहीं करते.
और कर भी लेंगे तो क्या होगा? So what?
Who knows?
It's up to us. It's up to
No,
us.
no, no, no.
Why no? Why no?
You don't play
मेरा
with your
मुंह,
mind.
मेरा मन
You
है.
don't play with your mind.
मोमेंट तो खुश नहीं है.
Let me play our
I'm happy with anyone. I have a competition.
आपने बोला भी दुश्मनी ले ली, आप किंग और क्वीन से दुश्मनी ले रहे हैं.
It's not a ये दुश्मनी
एक
नहीं
बात
है,
बोलूं
ये बात
मम्मी.
है.
Listen, you should be thankful, okay? It is our become Lassie perform.
Okay.
Then why are you getting irritated? हाँ, आपको अच्छा ही मिला, ठीक है?
उसके और आपके बारे में बोला.
क्यों आपको jealous हो रहा है?
नहीं jealous नहीं हो रहा.
अच्छा, उसका भी नहीं सुना. हाँ, बोल.
दोस्ती निभा रहे हो ना, वो चीज है मेन चीज.
हाँ, thank you.
ये दिया मिल रही है, तुम तो सिर्फ ऐसे ही थ्रोन पे.
हाँ तो होने दो. So what goes to
ये
you?
तो दिया.
So what? So what? So what? So what? So what?
हेलो.
Whatever.
मैं अपना एक ओपिनियन पुश करना चाहूंगा. मुझे तुम्हारे लिसन, तुमने फ्रेंडशिप की बात की, मैं अपना एक्सपीरियंस दूं ना, फ्रेंडशिप बिल्कुल भी नहीं चलती है. मेरी फ्रेंडशिप भी नहीं चली और इनकी भी तो थी दीपांशु से. तुम उनको एलिमिनेट कर दिया, तो फ्रेंडशिप की गेम ही नहीं.
I know ये friendship का game नहीं.
हाँ,
अगर मैं आपको अवंतिका देता तो you would be happy.
मेरे को तो किसी पार्टनर से बात
तो बात खुशी रहो ना, तो खुशी रहो ना. क्यों बोल रहे हो? खुशी रहो.
मेरे साथ कौन है? Because I
You know what? If I ask people that I'm fine with everyone, then be happy. I change. Simple as that. और
इस
सही.
पावर का एक मतलब है कि तुमने दिव्या को आराम से
सुनो ना,
निकाल दिया.
क्यों आपको उसके साथ परफॉर्म करना था?
नहीं
था.
सबके साथ किया था.
नहीं
सबको
करना
जब
था.
करना था, तो फिर डायरेक्टली इसको विनर डिक्लेयर कर दो ना आज के लिए.
She is not a winner. अब देखते हैं ना जरा.
All up to us.
अवंतिका अच्छी है तो पर
मेरे को ना करना है, किसको किसके साथ रखना है, किसको किसके साथ नहीं रखना.
अगर आपको परफॉर्म करना है तो बोलो मैं चेंज कर दूं.
मैं अपना
देखो,
point
game
of
मत
view दे रहा
सिखा.
हूं. मैं अपना point
I'm
of
just
view
डे
दे रहा हूं.
1 से
something.
टास्क चल रहा है. डे 1 से हम लोग.
All right, Swiss villains. It's time to call our judges. I would like to call our judges, Ms. Seema Patel and Mr. Basit Manzoor. Give it up for them. What do you judges?
So how are you all? Feeling good? Good enough. Ayushi?
Don't change my power. That's it. I don't want anything. Just this.
Happy with your shuffling?
Okay, first of all, what was your reaction for the wild cards?
Now we have one more competition to compete.
पता चला कि रोज कंपटीशन के लिए यहाँ आया.
Yes, obviously. On the day one,
नहीं जीतना है.
first day he made me. He said, I want to
इसने
win.
क्लियर चैलेंज दे दिया पहले हर किसी को that he is here to win.
Yeah, I guess he's a good competitor.
First day he said me last time when I met.
Okay, so we have already discussed about this, the punctuality issues.
We told you to be here on time.
You still
We
want to
always tell you to be here on time. 9:30 is your time to report.
but things
And
turned
we
out.
always, we watch, we told you, when you're in the group, stay active. We are monitoring, we are watching. We watch कौन आता है time पे, कौन नहीं आता है time पे. Who is late and who is not late. Judges को late होना चाहिए. We are actually here before you show up.
Shivangi and Janvi, you
You're
were on time,
always here. Avantika is always here on time as well.
so you will get some benefits for
The
that.
three of them are always here. The gates are locked. I always see them uploading pictures proving that they're here at that point.
But about others, most of you were late today, and you know that will be having some severe consequences. And talking about king and queen, how are you feeling with your power?
I will be happy till the time you don't change. Then you can.
You don't change. So you know how much power we gave to the king and queen, right? How much power we gave to Mukul and Divya. They were up. They saved you. Did they?
Yes.
They saved you. They had the power to save you. They had the power to put someone in danger zone. So king and queen were powerful enough. They had so many powers. And still, knowing this, you were late. Still, Shubham? You people didn't even inform. If you had some genuine reasons, you didn't inform us. You were still late. So you are taking this power lightly, right?
No.
You are.
No, not like that. No, we are not.
We saw it, right?
It's just that he had some issue. That's why he could not come. So
You should have informed us.
he should inform.
Because of that,
No, please. I knew something like this. Please take anything, not this. I wanted
there is
this
always
day
a
one.
penalty. There is always a penalty.
Then in other thing, you don't let me exercise my power. That's fine, but not this.
You enjoyed this, right?
Not enjoy it. Like see, okay.
You enjoyed it.
Yeah, because
Yes
I
or
from
no?
the beginning.
Yes or no?
Yes.
You're waiting for this.
I was just wanting my
You were
power
waiting
before
for this, and you knew this kind of power will come to you, and still
I
you
did
were
not know
late.
it would come.
Like you were just playing ऐसे ही खेल रहे थे.
नहीं मुझे पता था
But
I get power. I did not
anyway.
know. No, it wasn't that I want to be a king and queen, but I just wanted if I get into power, I want to just suffer. That's it.
Okay.
You don't give me power for anything. It's
You
fine.
want
Just
shuffling?
suffer. Yeah,
You want shuffling? I want to reshuffle this.
I want.
We want to reshuffle this.
Why? Okay.
We want to reshuffle this. I don't like any of the shuffling right
Why
here.
you don't like saying that?
I don't like any of the shuffling.
Can't judge the judges, na?
It's our decision.
Okay, yeah, sorry.
We're gonna take it.
We don't.
We will reshuffle. I don't like this shuffling right now.
Then why did you give me power?
Only because
We thought you would carry
You were
it
late.
out.
इनके पास भी पावर आया था पहले हफ्ते.
I agree.
Divya and Mukul. You had power, but पहले हफ्ते भी हमने आपसे वो छीन लिया था. Only because the king was late.
But that time there was a thing, right? He was late when we already started the program, but he came before we started the program. That's why I told you won't be taking my power, or else I would let them be like this only.
What did I told you yesterday?
That be on my.
Be on time, and it will have consequences on your points as well as it will lead to the direct elimination in this round. Was I right?
It's fine.
So I'm gonna reshuffle all this.
Let's see what they do after this.
So first
So
one,
first one.
Mushafiq.
Your partner will be Avantika.
Shuffle. Ali. Your partner will be Divya. Shuffle.
Mumin. Your partner will be Janvi. And Shivangi.
Shivangi here. So, okay with the shuffling? No? I don't see Mukul okay with this. No? Divya, are you okay with your shuffling? You're more comfortable with Mukul, but it is all about split and it's all about winning. You don't have to care about your partner or something. You are here to win. You got your partner, perform the task and get the throne. Be the winner of Splitsvilla Season 2. You have compatibility with each other. For example, Avantika has compatibility with Mehran. They can continue this compatibility after the show, after the game. I know Mukul is very comfortable with Divya. You both are comfortable, but it's all about game. You people are compatible enough, but after the game. But here, you are in a competition. You have to perform your best, you have to give your best, and you are here to win. Only because it was your first time you are having this power, we are giving you this power, we are not taking it away. Maybe you will get enough powers again tomorrow, again next week, but you have to be on time. Don't give us any reason to take away your powers. Yes. You want to say something?
Yeah. अब आप कंपैटिबिलिटी की बात करें तो आप एक दूसरे के खिलाफ खेलेंगे तब देखिए कितनी कंपैटिबिलिटी.
ठीक है.
And one more thing, right now also I'm happy with this couple.
Okay.
So it doesn't
You wanted shuffling. Basically, you wanted shuffling.
Yes, I just wanted because
We shuffled.
तुम लोग को इतना आराम से मिल गया ना मुझे नहीं मिला इसलिए. That was the main point from the day
Okay.
one.
No. Divya, what do you think
नहीं,
about
मुझे अब
this?
नहीं करना.
Will it affect your game?
We know.
Respected because I was knowing I and Pooja have discussed this thing कि हमें मतलब अगर पूजा को था स्टार्टिंग से कि अगर उसको एक बार पावर मिली तो वो रीशफल करेगी सबको. तो मेरे को लगा यार ऐसी पावर कहाँ मिलेगी?
The day one also I said this one. I just want this power in my thing.
She
I
just
don't
want this
power.
power.
Just this power I want.
So
It could have stayed the same, But punctuality.
It feels like you got something in. It's like
Okay.
चुना कर ले गया.
मुकुल, क्या बोलना चाहोगे आप इस बारे में?
मैं आगे कुछ नहीं बोलने दूँगा. कुछ जो बोलूँगा फिर आप ही बोलूँगा.
क्या खराब? इतना गुस्सा?
मुझे देख के मत बोलो.
इतना गुस्सा? तो ये चीज आपकी गेम को अफेक्ट करेगा अभी? बिल्कुल करेगा. तो इसका मतलब आप फाइनल तक अपने आप को नहीं देखते हो?
बात ऐसी है कि मैं रहने दूँ, मैं कुछ बोल नहीं.
The thing is, अभी शफलिंग हुई. पिछले सीजन भी एक नहीं, दो नहीं, तीन, चार बार शफलिंग हुई. So you still have the chance. You have to play in a sense, use your mind. It's not only about physical, it's about mind games as well. Use your mind. Next जब भी शफलिंग होगी ऐसा कुछ प्लान करो उस टाइम पे आपको अपना मनपसंद पार्टनर मिले. So it's not time for giving up. Okay, it's for everybody. It's not time for giving up. You still have the chance if you want yourself to be with your favorite partner. If you want to see yourself in the final with your favorite partner, work for it. Use your mind, use your brains, make strategies and go for it.
Yes.
Confident? Will you give up now? No? So, all the best with your game.
Split villains, are you ready for your task?
Yes. I hope you people will give your best in this task. And let's see what happens.
And let's see what's gonna happen.
Okay, once of all, cheer for yourself. Thank you.
Splits Villains! Now you got the idea that anything can happen in Splits Villa. It doesn't matter if you are king or queen. You can lose your power. कुछ भी हो सकता है यहाँ. You have to be punctual enough. You have to follow each and every instructions. You have to follow each and every rule. अगर आप rule नहीं मानोगे, आपको consequences भुगतने पड़ेंगे. Got it? Anything can happen. So let me tell you what is going to happen today. Today, our task will be Splits Villa drill. Boys, the task will be for you. You have to show your physical strength. कितना strong हो आप? आपके partner के साथ compatibility कितना है आपका? Today you have to show that. And let me tell you, today, boys, you will be blindfolded. You will do drills. You will pick up tires. You will go. You will put spoon on your mouth as well. Anything can happen. Yeah. So before starting our task, let me tell you that Janvi and Shivangi, you both are punctual today, so that is why you got powers. You will get advantage of 5 seconds in the task. So are you ready for today's task? Yes. Alright, let the task begin.
So Shubham and Pooja, who do you want to send first?
First is
Momin and
Janvi.
Second,
Second is this
Bhoj Kumar and Ayushi. Second. Okay, so third one,
Musafik and his
Avantika. Fourth one,
Fourth one is this Mr. Mehran and then
Mr. Mehran and Divya. So the fifth one is
Himanshu and his partner
Shivangi. So okay, we got the 5 couples, we got the sequence, and let's.
Moomin and Janvi. So let's start. 3, 2, 1, start.
Hold up. If you turn around, you gon' face a lead. Shooting from above, go to sleep, you're dead. What? 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 Bring it back now. What? 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 Bring it back now. I got the moves. Turn around, you gon' face a lead. Shooting from above, go to sleep, you're dead. If you turn around, you gon' face a lead. Shooting from above, go to sleep, you're dead. What? What? I got the moves. What? What? Bring it back now. What? What? I got the moves. What? What? Bring it back now.
Ladies and gentlemen, our next couple is Bhoj and Ayushi. Let's start. 3, 2, 1, start.
क्या है ये? क्या है क्या ये?
Our next couple is Mustafik and Avantika. Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, start! Next couple is Ali and Divya. Let's start. Divya. Our next couple is Himanshu and Shivangi.
शिवांगी शिवांगी मेरे पीछे आगे हैं
1 start.
पीछे मुड़ो सीधा चल 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 राइट दिस साइड पीछे का मुर्जू लेफ्ट चल आगे मुड़ गया
A few moments later. Much later.
सीधा
7 hours later. Day 2. 3 days later. Eventually.
Space Blends. Now, the time is for results. Musafi, you're looking chill. You know what is going to happen today. तुम जीतने वाले हो, हारने वाले हो, तुमको पता है. तुम हार भी सकते हो, तुम जीत भी सकते हो. ठीक है? तो आज का टास्क जो था, it was really intense and the competition level was really high. They have done really well. And today, moment, let me tell you that today you have done really good job because आप गिर गए थे वहाँ पे, आपको चोट लगी थी, but you still continue. So give it up for a moment. All right. So now, result is here. It's time for the results, and the couple who is in the 5th position. The name of the couple is Mukul and Shivangi. The timing is 3 minutes and 55 seconds. And now the couple who is in 4th position, the name of the couple is Musafiq and Avantika. Your timing is 3 minutes and 28 seconds. Now, the couple who is in 3rd position, the name is Ali and Divya. You got 3 minutes and 11 seconds. the time is for the winner. So who is going to win? There is a competition between Momen and Shivang, Momen and Janvi, and Bhuj and Aishi. Who is going to win? So the winner of today's task is Momen and Janvi. Your timing is 2 minutes and 16 seconds. And Bhuj and Aishi, your timing is 2 minutes and 49 seconds. The difference is just about seconds. So that's all about timing. जितना टाइम आप लगाओगे उतना आपके चांसेस कम होंगे. It's all about seconds. Got it? So now I would like to call our judges for your feedbacks. Let's welcome our judges. Guys, give it up.
So first of all, give a big round of applause for yourself. प्रॉब्लम कहाँ आई हर किसी के टास्क डायरेक्शन कोई भी सही से नहीं दे पाया. जानने की मैं बात करूँ बिल्कुल सही से डायरेक्शन नहीं था, उसकी वजह से मुझे फिर गिर गया कि बच्चे ने मैनेज करने तब भी बात को बहुत फास्ट जहाँ तक बाकी का रहा डायरेक्शन कोई भी प्रॉपर नहीं दे नहीं पाया. बाकी लड़कों ने बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म किया, अपना 100% दिया. डायरेक्शन की वजह से अपने मेन सेकेंड जो अपने direction was like right. You wasted about 2 minutes in directions. Mukul was fast enough, but you wasted 2 minutes with directions. You were confused with your right and your left. राइट उसका और लेफ्ट उसका बोलना था, तो आप अपना क्यों बोल रहे थे? बिकॉज ऑफ यू आर स्टैंडिंग लास्ट एंड दिस इज गोना अफेक्ट यू नो दैट. बाकी हर किसी का डायरेक्शन का ही प्रॉब्लम रहा. जानवी मुंह में ने तो तेज कर लिया अपना टास्क, बट डायरेक्शंस वर सेंसलेस, टोटली सेंसलेस. मुड़ो व्हाट मुड़ो
इधर मुड़ो. He wasn't able to see, blindfold था.
And he was too fast, लग गई उसे. रेस्ट बाकी लड़कों ने बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म किया.
You did your best. It was impressive that despite being blindfolded, you showed trust in your partners. You showed the most trust in your partner because she said bhago and you actually ran.
So it was basically a compatibility test, and obviously Momen and Janvi won this test and Bhuj and Aishi were second. So that was all.
Well done.
Give it up guys for yourself.
Results are done. Impressive.
मैं पे टेस्ट someone has done.
You are saying me? How can you prove that? You said right now that I use mobile. No, वो मुझे irritate कर रहा है.
देखने से पता चल जाता है.
There is a thing called common sense. Don't you say?
देखने से पता चल जाता है कौन कितना क्या किया है. डायरेक्शन ही नहीं.
So we were coordinators. हम 5 लोग टाइम नोट कर रहे थे. We matched our time. Accordingly we took our decisions. Penalties भी ऐड हो गई. So for example, मेहरान भी भूल गया था और एंड में मुकुल भी भूल गया था हॉप करना. ठीक है, वहाँ पे पेनल्टी लग गई और टायर में बीच में टच आ गई, लेग टच हो गई. ठीक है, तो उस पे हो गई.
2 minutes or 12 or 13 seconds.
तो तुम बिलीव कर लोगे. It's all about the penalty ना. वहाँ पे भी तो लग रहा है ना
You
penalty.
do whatever I say, you believe me. When I say you're dumb, you believe
First
that.
thing first,
If you
okay.
say right now
It's
that
not
I
about
use
cheating.
mobile
It's not
and I
about
use that.
सुनो ना, I just said there is thing called mobile phone. तो वो मुझे बोल रहे हैं ना, he's irritating me. So obviously I will answer him. I might answer him anyway. It's my choice.
First thing first, I'm not telling you anything. I just asked the judges, is it allowed or not? So they said allowed. That's it.
We're gonna face this consequences later.
They did not
We will see.
no,
We will
it's
see.
just
It's not prone. Let it be. Now we are moving to the another quiz. Mukul and Shivangi, they are last, so they won't be involved in this whole thing. So it depends on these three couples. So the power for king and queen is you have to save any one couple among this two.
Is there a power that if you don't save anyone,
No.
you have to?
तीन में से किसी एक पे.
Yeah, pitch for yourself.
Yesterday जो मैंने तुमने words दिए थे मतलब पहले time It's about me.
Okay. But you have a dirty partner, no?
तो It's about me. अब partner तो कभी भी आ सकते हैं. I'm pitching off for myself.
Others can pitch too.
Excuse me, बस हम भी करेंगे. I agree.
See, this is my first day,
Yeah.
and I've come second. If you give me a chance to prove it, I'll prove it.
We will.
And if you want a competition, then you are looking at me. I just want to say that.
Yeah, I know you're
Then take it to the final, and we'll see who wins.
Yeah.
Why will I Bhaksi? I won't.
What about
That's
Narayan
not
and
it,
Divya?
It's not final today.
Save me. Because I'll give you words that if I get the powers, I will definitely. There is no doubt I will save you.
I know that. What about your partner?
Ali also. We will also agree my decision. If like we will
मैं
gain
चाहता
powers,
हूँ
we
कि
will definitely.
respect my decision. मैं चाहता हूँ कि एली कुछ बोले.
I don't need it, but I don't particularly like it.
Same as for me.
शुभम से stick by your words, कल वाली बात सुन.
That's all. Why will I? इतना बुरा दिन आया क्या आपको पेट पे?
नहीं, I'm just saying कि अगर हम don't forget अगर
Just a day. I know that. Not a week.
अगर हम साथ में होंगे कल make sure कि हम लोग
दिव्या एक मिनट एली को बोलना है.
8, 7, 6. So we got the result. So Mushafiq and Avantika, you are safe for this week. And there are 3 couples in the danger zone. Bhoj, Ayushi, Ali and Divya, Mukul and Shivangi. So you got this week. Collect as many votes as you can. And I can see you in the next week.
Notify you when voting line will be open. Stay active in the groups.
And one more thing, Moomin and Janvi will be competing with Shubham and Pooja next week for contendership of King and Queen. That was all.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that's all about our today's episode, and wait for our next episode.